DJ on the track.
How you doing? Excuse the mess. But this is the only place I can store for right now. My driveway, which should be the rightful place. But this is my 97 Sea-Doo GTS project. With reverse. It's actually I just found out this is a GTS 2. So this is her little project for me for next year. So it's gonna be a year rebuild for me, restoration. Not a rebuild, but restoration. My first restoration. So I'm gonna be learning as I go. That's why I say it's gonna take me a year. Because not only am I rebuilding, I'm learning, and I'm going to be YouTubing every step of the way. So
on the track.
this is what it is. This year I'm just going to pretty much take a run through and look and see what I need. I got the motor and stuff downstairs in the basement right now, stored away. I've been looking it over. New stickers, a couple other parts I'm gonna have to reorder. Power wash it, clean it up, get a cover for it for the winter time. I gotta find one of these pieces right here. So if anybody knows how to get one of these pieces right here, let me know. This one's cracked. I might even just take this one off and just go without one because I don't have one on this side. I'm not sure if it's okay, but I don't see why it wouldn't be a problem with me just taking them off and grinding those stubs down and filling them up and sanding them down and just repainting it. I'm in Michigan, so I'm in Port Huron, Michigan, so I'm right off the lake where I can see Canada, so this is the perfect spot to have these kind of toys because we got a whole lot of water. Now, bro, I'm gonna take all these stickers off. See, I gotta replace this. It was the whole seat though. I found the whole seat though, so I'm gonna order the whole seat and just replace this and redo this one and have extra seat just in case. A lot of it's just pretty much cleaning up and making sure everything works. Gas gauge. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fill it, put another one in there. I might. Like an hour tachometer or hours thing like that. See? For the most part, I got pretty much everything that I need to put it back together except for the manifold. I have to order that. That's it.
What's up, baby? You remind me of 20 letters in the alphabet.
That piece too, and then you can fill this piece. It's dirty. It sat under a tree for a while. So, I'm gonna do some good cleaning to it. Oil out, clean that storage unit out. Just get it up. I might even paint it a whole different color. I'm not sure yet. Still thinking about it. But this is my baby. That's my baby. I might even go with the black and yellow Batman style on water. You guys let me know like and subscribe. And tell me what you think. I gotta get some handles, large handle grips for both sides. Okay. So be my winter project for the
What's up, baby?
most part. If I can find another one of these, I will for my sons to ride too, so we both ride. I'm a big boy, so I need a 3-seater, a big one. Well, if anybody knows if I can find one or has an extra one laying around, please feel free to send it my way.
What's up, baby?
And as soon as I get it done,
What's up, baby?
anybody that's subscribed to my channel and hasn't seen you, man, feel free to come up to Portland, Michigan and ride with me when I get it done next summer. This time next summer, this is my mission. We're doing a lot of filming after I get it done, and on the water. I mean riding. First year is going to be a videotape of learning, a video of learning. I'm doing it in spurts. So bear with me, please, because I'm new at this. A new hobby for me and my kids to enjoy. So, tune it out. Please like, subscribe, smash both them buttons for me. Positive feedback is good feedback. Got any suggestions or pointers you think I may be able to use while putting this back together and restoring it? Feel free to let me know. Write it, put it in the comments. I want to soak up all the knowledge I can to learn more about these things. These things are fun. I got to ride once with a friend of mine's dad's 3-seater, and I loved it. So I've been searching one for my own for the 15 years, last 15 years. I pick up, so why not restore one? Have fun. See you later. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button and comment below on any input you have. Peace.
DJ on the track.